Hey there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. We are less than an hour away from the opening bell, and we have a mixed bag this morning. All three indexes actually hit record highs yesterday, with the Dow closing over 26,000 for the first time in history. This morning, the Dow is up in pre-market trading, but the S&P and Nasdaq, they're actually both pointing a little bit lower. Overseas, in China, the world's second largest economy, it actually grew 6.9% last year, beating expectations, thanks in part to government stimulus and an increasing global trade. Hong Kong's Hang Seng market actually hit a record high, and the Shanghai composite jumped 0.8%. But in Japan, the Nikkei actually closed lower, and the FTSE in England is on track for its fourth straight day of losses, down 0.4%. And the DAX in Germany is actually closing higher as investors are getting excited about Angela Merkel's efforts to form a more stable German government. Back here in the U.S., Morgan Stanley has already released its earnings report. Let's take a look at how they're doing here. It actually beat expectations for both earnings per share and revenue, but those numbers do not include the one-time $990 million charge because of the changes in the tax code. Also, there's been a big drop in fixed income commodities and currencies trading revenue. With such low levels of volatility out there, there's just been a big drop in client activity, but you can see it looks like they're going to start the day higher. Also, it looks like the buyers are coming back for Bitcoin. After dropping below that $10,000 mark yesterday, the popular cryptocurrency is rebounding a bit. Right now, it's up more than 6%, trading around $11,800. Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple are also climbing. Now, coming up later, we are going to be getting new numbers on housing starts, building permits, natural gas, and crude oil inventories. And actually, I do want to go back and take a look at the crude levels right now, trading for close to $64 a barrel. Now, we have seen 8 weeks of declines in global supplies, and if we hear about another drop, we could actually see a big jump coming right here. So that's it for now. Thank you so very much for watching. Remember to follow us on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube. Check out our past reports on realinvestmentnews.com. I'm Mike O'Neill, and we will see you after the opening bell.